In this impactful second episode, Mr. Lucas decio returns with highlighted intensity, charisma, and determination. His impressively sculpted physique is not only visually striking but also serves as a testament to his consistency, discipline, and sense of purpose. Each scene showcases not just a shirtless body, but a man who transforms effort into grace and sweet. In resilience, Lucas is not interested in following trends. He is focused on creating a legacy from his well-defined chest to his chiseled edge. His physique reflects hard work, patience, and commitment to growth. He emphasizes that fitness is not about quick solutions, it's about enjoying the journey, accepting challenge, and becoming stronger every day. This episode goes beyond just muscles, it's about the captivating energy of a man who moves with assurance, trains passionately, and inspires with genuine authenticity.